Scotland is adapting to a new normal, and this is what that looks like. As of today, people are advised to wear a face covering in certain public places. The science says the benefits are small, but Scotland's First Minister believes it is worthwhile.
The guidance also makes clear that the evidence on the use of face coverings is still limited. However, it recognises that there may be some benefit in wearing a face covering if you leave the house and enter an enclosed space where you will come into contact with multiple people and safe social distancing is difficult, for example, on public transport or in shops.
This new advice refers to wearing a face covering rather than a medical-grade clinical mask, and for good reason. This is not about creating a rush for people panic buying clinical face masks that will be needed by our key workers in hospitals and in care homes. What we're talking about is face coverings from items of cloth. It could be a scarf or a bandana, items of clothing people have at home that can be improvised. Nicola Sturgeon's basing this guidance on the same scientific advice given to the rest of the UK, but others are talking down the benefits.
The evidence is weak and the effect is small, and we've passed that on to our colleagues in government with which to make a decision.
The most important thing people can do is the social distancing. As opposed to the weak science on face masks, there is very clear science on social distancing.
Face coverings are not compulsory in Scotland, and there are signs of mixed success when it comes to a polite request for people to cover up. But you're not wearing one today?
No, I have no intention.
This is for our own safety and others' safety. Normally I don't use it outside, just in the shops.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And do you feel more safe when you're going shopping with it?
Yeah, a wee bit.
Scotland was first to ban mass gatherings and close schools, only for others to follow shortly after. But on face coverings, the four nations' approach to this pandemic is starting to diverge. Peter Smith, News at 10, Glasgow.